Pada video kali ini, saya akan membuat sablon reflektif yang akan menyala saat terkena cahaya. Siapkan kaosnya. Kemudian POLYFLEX reflektif. POLYFLEX ini bisa kalian beli di toko alat sablon terdekat atau banyak juga dijual di toko online. Potong sesuai kebutuhan. Siapkan spidol permanen. Kemudian buat gambarnya pada POLYFLEX bagian masking.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing.
Potong sesuai pola gambar.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions.
Tempelkan pada kaos.
Run away from this and go get off the grid.
Tutup memakai kertas HPS. Setrika pada suhu maksimal dengan waktu kurang lebih 1-2 menit. Tunggu sampai panasnya hilang. Lepaskan maskingnya.
So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Inilah hasilnya saat di tempat terang. Dan ini pada saat gelap, kemudian dikasih cahaya pada bagian sablon.
We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots. shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of it.
Demikian video kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Sampai jumpa pada video berikutnya.